Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something absolutely tiny and crazy powerful in my hands, the Umevo Note Plus. Let's jump into the unboxing and full review. In this video I'll show you what is it, why you need it, and how to use it. First, opening the box right now. Inside, we have the Umevo itself in beautiful matte black aluminum, a really premium magnetic leather case that feels amazing, a magnetic charging cable that snaps right on the back, a small USB-C O2G adapter for transferring files, and a MagSafe ring, so this works perfectly with any Android phone as well. Everything looks and feels high-end. I have no complaints here. So now, imagine this, you're on a super important meeting or client call and you're trying to listen, take notes, and not miss anything at the same time. That's stressful, right? Or you're on a phone call walking down the street and you promise, I'll remember everything, but 5 minutes later you already forgot half of it. Or you're a student sitting through a 2-hour lecture and your hand starts to hurt from writing and you still miss all the key points. That is exactly where the Umevo Note Plus becomes a total game changer. It quietly records everything in perfect quality, transcribes it in seconds, pulls out the summary, to-do list, and mind map automatically. So you can stay 100% present in the moment instead of scribbling like crazy. Later, you just open your phone and you have everything perfectly organized, ready to copy, paste into emails, Notion, reports, or whatever you need. Now, the size is insane. It's only 3.1 millimeters thin. That is literally the same thickness as 2 credit cards put together. It weighs 19 grams. The whole body is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, and you can slide it into your wallet or pocket and completely forget it's there. On the side there is a simple physical switch that I really love. Slide it right for normal recordings of meetings, lectures, and voice memos. Slide it left for phone call mode using the vibration sensor. Using it for phone calls is super easy. Just stick it on the back of your iPhone or Android with the included ring, and it captures both sides perfectly clear. No extra apps, no permissions, it just works. Now let me show you exactly how simple it is to use this thing every single day. First, download the free app called AI DVR Link from the App Store or Google Play. You only do this once. Then turn on the Umevo, make sure Bluetooth is on in your phone, and pair it. Whenever you want to record, just press the small button in the right. You will feel a short vibration and the tiny screen lights up with mic icon. That means recording has started. Put it in your pocket, stick it on your phone, or leave it on the table. It keeps recording. To stop, press the same button again. You will feel another vibration. Now, open the AI DVR Link app on your phone. Your new recording is already at the top of your list. Tap the little download arrow. The file transferred from the recorder to your phone via Bluetooth in just a couple of seconds. Once it's downloaded, you can just tap the recording and choose Summarize. Pick any template you like, meeting notes, interview, lecture, phone call, whatever fits, and wait about 30 seconds to 3 minutes and it's done. You can now have a perfect transcription, a short summary, a beautiful mind map, and an automatic to-do list. From there, you can copy the text, export the transcript or summary, save the mind map as an image, or download everything as PDF, or the original audio as MP3. That is literally it. 10 seconds to start and stop, several minutes for the AI to do all the work. It's clean, simple, and fast. It uses all the latest GPT models mixed with Google Gemini, and the accuracy is fantastic. Now the part that completely blew my mind, the pricing model. When you buy the Umevo Note Plus, you get 12 full months of completely unlimited AI transcription, and all premium features are free. You can record 10 hours a day, and it'll never cost you an extra cent for the entire first year. After those 12 months, you can still keep 400 free minutes every single month, forever. If you ever need more, top-ups are super cheap. 120 extra minutes costs only 59 cents. No first subscription, no recurring payments. You only pay when you actually go over the free limit. 64 gigabytes of storage, about 480 hours of recordings, 400 milliamp hour battery, up to 40 hours continuous recording, or 60-day standby. Full charge in 1.5 hours, supports 140 languages. If you take voice notes, record meetings, interviews, lectures, or phone calls, the Umevo Note Plus is one of the smartest gadgets you can buy right now. It's tiny, beautiful, records fantastic audio, and AI actually works. And you get a full year of unlimited transcription included. At around $100 to $120 with current deals, this is an absolute no-brainer for me. Drop a comment and tell me, how would you use this little beast? Hit a like if the review helped, and subscribe for more honest reviews. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and take care.